Jensen. Excel has become the language of business. Today, I'll show you how to create a dynamic link between Excel and Sage100 Contractor. Once you have this link, the data pulls seamlessly from Sage into your spreadsheet. The first thing you'll need is the SQL Server database name. That's most easily found through a copy and paste from the Sage login screen. Next, you will open Excel with a blank worksheet and choose Data from the ribbon bar, then the option from Database and from SQL Server. The system will prompt you for your login credentials. Paste the SQL Server name and choose your database. Choose the table or tables you want to access. Note the option at the top for select multiple items. The window now opens with your data. Transform your data in this screen. You can change column names, create new columns, perform what other functions you want. When you're finished, click Close and Load. Your data has now been successfully imported into Excel with a dynamic link. All that is left to do now is to set the refresh options. Choose the drop-down by Refresh All and choose Query Properties. Set your refresh options and save the worksheet. Thanks for watching.